Hey everybody, Steve again. I got my Ruger P89. I'm going to show you how to field strip it real quick. This is a great gun. Had it a long time. Let's see if she's empty. Alright. First thing you do, hold up on that locking lever, push down on this ejection spring. Grab the barrel real tight, unlock the lock for the slide, put some pressure on this button, give it a little nudge on the slide, and that will pop that out. Slide will slide right off. And right there, you can see the spring pops right out. All ready to clean it up. Put her all back together. Pretty strong spring on this one. Get her all the way down. All the way down there. Alright. Put your slide back on. You're going to line up this mark and this mark. Get those lined up. Push your pin in, and she's ready. You can take a pencil and pop your ejector spring back up. First time you put a clip in it, it's going to pop it back up for you anyway. You cock it. Right there is a great gun. Had it for years. Shot thousands of rounds through it, never jammed one time. It's a real battle tank of a gun. Anyway, if this helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Have a nice day.